Are you ready to become a success story in federal government contracting? You found your space. Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel dedicated to guiding small businesses like yours, entrepreneurs, and visionaries through the ins and outs of federal government contracting. As a successful CEO and entrepreneur with over 30 years of combined private sector and federal government expertise, including 18 plus years in government, I'm here to share real-life experiences and invaluable lessons to help you achieve your contracting goals. My journey began with the guidance of my mentor, Bill Black. He's now retired as a successful multi-million-dollar businessman who encouraged me to transition from the private sector into the federal government space. Together, we worked tirelessly preparing and executing a plan that led me to secure my SBA 8A woman-owned small business certification by January 12th of 2007, years ago. This certification was the gateway to winning my first multi-million-dollar contract with a federal agency, a transformative moment in my career. I will show you how to win big. Defining a small business. Before diving into the federal contracting arena, it's crucial to understand what constitutes a small business in the eyes of the federal government and the Small Business Administration. The SBA defines a small business as an entity that operates independently, is not dominant in its field, size standards vary by industry, and are determined by the North American Industry Classification, NAICS codes. Have you heard of those? For an example, a manufacturing small business may have up to 500 employees. Service-based businesses might qualify with annual receipts under 16.5 million. And some businesses can qualify as small businesses with just 1 or 2 employees, depending upon their industry classification. Understanding these size standards is very crucial to small business success and to the certifications process. Here are some key certifications you need to consider. Number 1, 8A Business Development Program for small disadvantaged businesses. 2, Woman-Owned Small Business WOSB certification for businesses owned and controlled by women. 3, Service Disabled Veteran-Owned Business, which is SDVOSB, for businesses owned by veterans with service-connected disabilities. 4, HUB-Zone certification for businesses historically underutilized in business zones, such as DC. They have them all over. These certifications open doors to set-aside contracts where agencies are required to award a certain percentage of contracts to small businesses with these categories. They also provide access to mentorship programs, joint ventures, valuable networking opportunities. And getting started in the federal contracting industry is amazing. So let's step into the federal government space. And I know it can feel overwhelming sometimes, but I'm here to simplify the process from understanding government acronyms to navigating solicitations. My channel will cover it all. The government buys everything from tiny screws to constructing entire communities like worlds. Whatever your business offers, there's likely a federal agency that needs you. The federal government is also known for Prompt Payment Act. Agencies like the Department of Defense, DOD, Department of Veterans Affairs, just to name a few, are mandated to process invoices within 3 to 5 business days, as long as they're compliant, ensuring a steady cash flow for your business. So, my commitment to you, I'm not here to sell you a pipe dream. I'm here to drill down into what it takes to succeed in federal contracting. My goal is to bless others on their journey just as my mentor blessed me. Success requires preparation, knowledge, and perseverance, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. What to expect on this channel, you will find: number 1, detailed breakdowns of government acronyms and technology. That's a biggie. Tips for creating competitive proposals, another biggie. Insights into certification process. Oh, that's your gateway to heaven. Lessons learned from real life experiences. Moi. And strategies for building strong relationships with contracting officers and agencies. Let's grow together by winning multi-million-dollar contracts in your lines of businesses. If you're ready to embark on your federal contracting journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never ever miss an update. And also share this video with fellow entrepreneurs who could benefit from this information, and leave your questions and comments below. Now remember, success in federal contracting isn't just about winning contracts. It's about building lasting relationships and delivering exceptional results. Become an overnight success story as well. So stay tuned for more content, and let's make your federal contracting dreams a reality. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.